Hi guys! Welcome to my YouTube channel. In today's video, I will explain the complete installation and setup process of your TP-Link Deco M4 Mesh Wi-Fi system. Watch the complete video. If you are using the TP-Link Deco M4 device first time, then download and install the Deco app on your mobile or tablet. You can scan the QR code available on the screen, or you can go to Google Play or the Apple App Store to download the Deco app. The App Store for iPhone user and Play Store is for Android user. After download, install the app. Now, open the Deco app and log into the account. If you are a new user, then you need to create a new account. To create a new account, you need to tap on Sign Up option. Here, you will create a TP-Link ID. You need to type your email address and password in the box. Then agree the privacy policy and tap Sign Up button. Now, you will get the confirmation message on your email. Confirm the account by activate the TP-Link ID and log in your account. After login, connect your Deco to the modem. Now, power on both the devices. If you don't have a modem, connect the Ethernet outlet directly to your Deco main unit. After this, tap Next in the app. Now, you need to select a location for this main Deco unit. For example, if your Deco main unit is in the bedroom, then tap on the bedroom option. In case, if the location is not listed in the app, then you can create a new one by choosing Custom. Now, tap Next. Create your Wi-Fi network. Here, set a network name and a password. The password must be at least 8 characters. Always set a strong password. This Wi-Fi network is the name of your Deco M4 wireless network, and this password will be used to connect your devices to Wi-Fi. Now, tap Next. Your TP-Link Deco M4 main unit setup is completed. Tap on I'm done for now button to finish the setup. If you have more decos and want to add on your mesh Wi-Fi network, then tap Add another Deco option. You can add more decos to expand your Wi-Fi coverage. The app will guide you through the process of adding more decos one by one. First, plug the Deco M4 units into an electrical outlet. To add more decos in the mesh Wi-Fi system, you need to tap on Add another Deco. Now, you get a list of Deco devices. Choose the Deco M4 option. Now, find a suitable placement of your other Deco unit and tap Next. When the Deco unit flashes a blue light, then tap the button to proceed. Now, your Deco unit is finding the network to connect. When it connected, then you need to choose a location. Wait for some time to finish the setup. Tap I'm done for now to complete the installation. You can also log into the web management page of TP-Link Deco M4 Mesh Wi-Fi system. To log in, you need to connect your computer with the Deco M4 Wi-Fi network, or you can also connect with the Ethernet cable. After connected, launch a web browser on your computer. Now, type tplinkdeco.net in the web address bar and hit enter. If your connection is secured, then you will redirect it to the login page. Here, you can log in with your TP-Link ID and password. In the web management page, you can update the firmware of your TP-Link Deco M4 Mesh Wi-Fi system. To update its firmware, you need to click on the Advanced option. Then click on the System option from left side. Here, click on the Firmware Upgrade option. You can click on Check for Updates option. If it required an update, then you need to click on Install. You can also upload the new firmware file. If you are facing any trouble to configure your TP-Link Deco M4 Mesh Wi-Fi system, or need our assistance, then you can reach us. Thanks for watching the complete video.